I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us terrible hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. And then Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing worked. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, best way to get rid of hiccups. So I need you to scare me.
Okay.
But I don't really like being scared. So you're gonna have to be nice about it, okay? Okay, so I need you to say boo on 3, okay? Ready? 1,